friends, see you again here. Today I would like to introduce our new jewelry paper round boxes to you, and we'll teach you how to use it. Okay, then let's start it. This is a very lovely pink paper round box for packing jewelries like your ring, necklace, earrings, bracelet, etc. Okay, so the first step, let's open the lid. Let's look at the inside. Oh, pink. Yes, very lovely. And then let's take a ring and pack it into the foam insert. Yes, then it won't be moved around. Yes, so it's very safe to pack your jewelry inside. And then close the lid, and we add ribbon accessories on this box. We can make a very beautiful butterfly dot on the top. Yes, like this way. Then it's finished. So like a gift to your friends or families. Yes, very good choice. Okay, so if you want to know more details, welcome to send inquiry to us and contact us. See you next time. Bye.